Have you ever wondered if technology could be your career path? Whether you're still in school, just starting out, or planning a career shift, the tech industry is one of the most exciting, rewarding spaces out there. But is it right for you? Let's break it down together. Tech is booming. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, jobs in technology are growing faster than most industries, with new roles being created every day. Why? Because tech shapes everything, from how we communicate to how we work, shop, and even entertain ourselves. It's a field where innovation never slows down. Plus, the opportunities are endless. You could work on cutting-edge AI projects, design apps that simplify people's lives, or analyze massive data sets to uncover groundbreaking insights. If you love solving problems or creating something new, tech has a space for you. If coding isn't your passion, don't worry. There are lots of roles in tech that focus on creativity, project management, or even customer experience. But what makes tech so appealing? For starters, there's flexibility. Imagine working wherever you like, whether that's a beachside cafe or your home office. Many tech companies lead the way in flexible work models like Google and Microsoft. Second, it pays to innovate. Tech roles are among the most financially rewarding, offering great salaries even for entry-level jobs. And here's the best part. Career progression. The demand for skills like programming, data science, cybersecurity is driving higher salaries and more leadership opportunities. The more you learn, the farther you can go. Excited about tech but unsure where to start? It all begins with skills. The good news is that tech careers don't always require a traditional four-year degree. You can learn in-demand skills through online courses, certifications, and hands-on projects like those on Coursera. Build your portfolio, get comfortable with tools like Python, SQL, or Figma, and show potential employers what you've got. Tech's all about what you can do, not just what's on your resume. The technology industry is dynamic, high impact, and full of opportunities to create your dream career. The question isn't whether tech is a good path, it's whether you're ready to take the first step. Click the links below to explore skill-building programs, career resources, and a free trial to unlimited learning on Coursera Plus to begin your tech journey.